Hi children, good morning. Hope you are all staying safe. Have you all done your homework? Yes, good. Did you enjoy all the videos? Yes. Welcome to today's EVS class. Before moving into our class, we should start this session with one moral value. Shall we? Yes. Come on, let us learn. Today's moral value is sharing. Children, do you like to share your things with others? Yes, good. Because sharing is spreading joy to others. Sharing bring us joy and also to other persons. So, sharing makes our life happy. Children, share your things with your siblings, friends. Okay, so they will be happy. Yes, avoid quarreling with your siblings and friends. Share your ideas and thoughts with your parents. Okay. Main thing is share your food to the needy people because the more we share, the more we have. Sharing is the process of dividing and distributing. Children, you should share your knowledge with your friends also. If you share, God will multiply you. Yes, good. Children, in the last class, we discussed about the organs and its types. That is internal organs and external organs. Next, sense organs. Sense organs helps us to sense things around us. Next, Braille script. It is the script developed by Louis Braille for the visually impaired people, that is blind people. Isn't it? Have you all remembered that? Yes. Good. Good children. Children, from where we can get our food? Yes, from plants and animals. Today we are going to discuss about plants. There are many types of plants around us. Plants are living things. They grow, breathe and reproduce. They are of different size, shape and color. Some plants grow on land and some in water. They have many branches that bear leaves, flowers and fruits. Plants are the only living things that make use of the solar energy. Many of us want to grow plants in a small pot in our home. Isn't it so? Yes. Many of us like plants. Yes. Plants are very helpful to us, no? Yes. So take care of the plants. Yes. Good. Next, parts of the plant. The plants can be divided into the shoot system and the root system. First, shoot. The part of the plant that is above the ground or soil is called the shoot. The shoot of the plant consists of stem, leaves, buds, flowers, vegetables, fruits, and seeds. See this picture, you are clearly understand about the shoot and the root. Yes, good. Next, stem. The stem has branches, leaves, flowers, and fruits. The stem connects the roots to the different parts of the plant. It can be very large, thin, weak, woody, strong, soft, and green. Yes. Next, functions of the stem. The stem supports the plant to stand upright and helps it to grow above the soil. It carries water from the roots to the different parts of the plant. It carries food prepared by the leaves to different parts of the plant. We are also consuming some stem. For example, sugar cane, banana stem. They are the examples of the stem we are eating in our day-to-day life. Yes. Have you understood about the stem, children? Yes. Next, coming to the leaves. The leaf is an important part of the plant. It is found in many shapes and sizes. The leaves of the plants are green in color because due to the presence of a pigment called chlorophyll. The flat, broad part of the leaf is called the lamina, and the leaf is fixed to the stem with the help of a stalk. The leaf has tiny holes or pores called stomata through which the plants breathe. Children, can you remember how we breathe through our lungs? Yes. Children, in your home, your mom is preparing food for you, no? Yes, like that. Here, the leaf is preparing food for the whole plant. Yes. So, the main function of the leaf is to produce food for the plant. The leaves are green in color due to the presence of chlorophyll pigment. So, the leaves prepare the food by the process called photosynthesis. Here, the chlorophyll in the leaf helps the plant to produce food using air, water, and sunlight. In the presence of sunlight, this chlorophyll changes water and carbon dioxide into sugars. This process of making food is called photosynthesis. Since the leaves prepare food for the plant, the leaves are called the kitchen of the plant. Here, in this process, the plants give off oxygen. That oxygen is inhaled by us for our breathing. Why do we breathe? We breathe to live, isn't it? They absorb carbon dioxide from the surroundings. Yes, good. Children, do you all like flowers? Yes. Flowers are the most beautiful and colorful parts of a plant. It makes a plant look beautiful. They are having a strong smell and a number of petals. The nectar is the sweetening agent present in the flower. Honeybee suck this nectar from the flower. The main function of the flower is reproduction, that is, production of new plants. Yes, we all like different types of flowers, no? Rose flower, jasmine flower, lily flower, lotus, isn't it? Yes. Yes, the flowers are very pleasant to see. It reduces our stress level. Yes. Next, do you all like to eat fruits? Yes. Fruits and seeds. Fruits contain seeds. Some fruits have just one seed, and other fruits have many seeds. The fruits help the plants to protect the seeds. New plants grow from these seeds. Example, mango has one seed. Orange, papaya, watermelon has many seeds. Children, if you want to live healthy, you should eat a lot of fruits every day. Okay, children, have you all got it? Yes. Children, next, roots. The part of the plant that grows below the ground or the soil is called root. There are two types of roots. They are taproot and fibrous root. First, taproot. Some plants have one main root and all the other small roots are attached to the main root. That is, the small roots are grown from the main root. Such type of roots are called tap roots. For example, in carrot and radish, the tap roots are seen. Yes. Next, fibrous roots. Some plants have the number of main roots growing from the bottom of the stem. Such types of roots are called fibrous roots. Example, grass and onion. Have you seen this? Yes. Function of the root. The root holds the plant firmly with the soil. It takes water and minerals from the soil. It supplies the water and minerals to the plants through the stem. So, for a plant, the roots are very important. Children, next, types of plants. Based on the size and the type of the stem, plants are classified into shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers, and trees. Shrubs. Small plants with woody stem are called shrubs. Example, rose and tulsi. We are all seeing this. We are all having at your home, isn't it? Yes. Herbs. Small plants with green and soft stems are called herbs. Example, grass and mint. Yes, see the picture. The rose, tulsi, coriander leaf, spinach, and karpuravalli leaves are given. Yes. Next comes climbers and creepers. Climbers. Some plants have weak stems. They are not stand on their own, so they need support of other plants or walls or sticks to grow. Such plants are called climbers. Example, pea plant and money plant. Next, creepers. Some plants have weak stems and they grow along the ground. They are called creepers. For example, pumpkin, watermelon, muskmelon, bottle gourd. Yes. Children, we are all seeing trees in our day to day life, isn't it? Yes. A tree is a big and tall plant with a strong and a woody stem called trunk. The trunk is brown in color. The tree lives for many years. The four main parts of the tree are the roots, the trunk, the branches, and the leaves. We are seeing mango tree, neem tree, banyan tree, guava tree, pomegranate tree, and many type of trees in our surroundings. Isn't it? That because of trees only we are getting rain. Yes. Children, in the last year vacation, you are all gone to your relatives' home or your grandparents' home, isn't it? Yes. Like you, Sonu and Minu were spending their summer holidays at their grandparents' house. They were calling their grandfather as Dadaji and grandmother as Daddy. There were many trees in the backyard of their grandparents' house. So the grandfather was used to tell them stories about the trees in his backyard. The two little children were eager to hear this. They were very interested to hear the stories of the trees. Like you, they are also interested to hear the stories. Yes, you are also very eager to hear the stories from your grandparents and parents. No, yes, enjoy. Story of Dadaji's trees. Dadaji had planted the mango tree when Sonu and Minu's father and their aunt was born. Dadaji had planted the kadam tree when he and his wife moved first to the house they lived now. They also planted Gulnuga tree when Sonu was born and Amaltos tree when Munu was born. Chiku tree and drumstick tree were also there in their backyard of their house. Sonu pointed a small peepal tree growing on a wall, which was grown by own. Yes, Grandpa did not planted the peepal tree. It was grown by own, by a seed dropped by birds. Okay, yes, they enjoyed watching the gulmoga tree, kadam tree, amaltos tree, peepal tree, chiku tree, drumstick tree at the backyard of their grandpa's houses. Yes, we all like to watch, no? Yes. Now, children, let us see how the grandpa had grown this tree. Yes, when the trees were saplings, Dadaji had watered them well and put some manure to grow them well. When the trees were big, he need not show much care. Some tulsi and money plant were also there in their backyard. Dadi looked after these plants. She collected the water in a bucket when she washed all the vegetables, dal, and rice for cooking and poured this water to the trees when they are big. As children, have you noticed the roadside trees on your streets? Yes. Dadaji, Sonu, and Minu saw trees with colorful flowers on the roadside. The municipal corporation has planted the roadside trees and they looked after them. These trees gave shade along the road and home to many birds and small animals. Then they reached fruit market and Dadaji told farmers grow fruits in their orchards and they sell them into the market. Yes, because of farmers only we are getting food, that is rice, vegetables, fruit. Isn't it so? Yes. Because they are working hard, then only we will able to get our food. Isn't it? Yes. Children, then coming to the uses of plants. Living things need plants to live. Plant absorbs carbon dioxide and release oxygen during photosynthesis process, which is used by us and other animals for breathing. Without plants, there is no life in this world. Human uses plants for food, clothing and medicine. Yes, we are making cotton dress from cotton plants. Plants helps us to bring rain. Without rain, no life in this earth. Plant prevents and decreases pollution by absorbing carbon dioxide and harmful gases from the environment. So the plants makes the air clean and fresh. They supply us food, wood and medicine. So plant plants and trees and get rains and live happily. Children, shall we recall what we learned today as parts of the plant? The parts of the plant are leaves, flowers, fruits, seeds, stem, and root. Next, types of the plant: shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers, and trees. Yes, then uses of plants, isn't it? And Dadaji's trees. Yes, hope you understood clearly. Yes. Children, next activity session. Please learn and write the questions given and do the activity. Yes. First one, why leaves are called the kitchen of the plant? Next one, explain about the different types of plants. Next, write your note on roots. Wherever the diagram is necessary, please draw the diagram with the help of your pencil and not pen. Okay, children? Good. Children, I hope you enjoyed the videos. Yes? Yes. Go through the videos, do the activity, take care of yourself. I will meet you in the next session of our EVS class. Thank you, children. Bye.